Want to make the quickest, easiest, delicious potato salad? Try this Instant Pot potato salad. Let's start with peeling our potatoes. And then we're going to get them cut up into small pieces, not too small, not too big, but we can cut them down smaller once they're cooked. Put in 1.5 cups of water. See those pieces? They're great size. Put your eggs on top. We're going to hard boil them at the same time. I'm using my steamer basket. If you don't have one, it's okay. Just throw it all in there. Let's set it to 4 minutes. Pressure cook on high. Quick release. Now we're going to get those eggs out. Put them into some ice water. And then I like to break the bottom of my eggs when I get them in the ice water. This way they peel easy. Hear that pop? Look at that. It's already peeling. Okay, let's cool down those potatoes. Let's get 1 cup of mayonnaise, tablespoon of dill pickle juice, tablespoon of mustard. Get that mixed well. We'll add our potatoes in. Get those potatoes coated well. And again, like I said, if you want to cut them down smaller, do it now. Let's get our eggs in, 4 of our 6. Mix those in gently. Save the rest to top it with. Beautiful, delicious, and easy. Let me know what you think. Give me all the likes, comments, love, whatever you can. I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much, everyone.